So class, we're here with our temperature probe, and what we're going to do is we're going to use it to figure out the efficiency of this microwave oven. The microwave oven is rated at a power of 1,000 watts. And what we're going to do is we're going to weigh a certain amount of water on our little jeweler's scale. This one goes to 600 grams, and it weighs to 0.1 grams. It costs like $12 on Amazon. It's amazing. And what we're going to do is we're going to weigh some water. We're going to put it in a styrofoam cup, which has a very small heat capacity itself. We're going to microwave it for a little while. We're going to see how much the temperature goes up, and you, class, are going to figure out the efficiency. All right. So the first thing we'll do is we'll weigh out some water. So first we'll turn the balance on. We'll put the cup on it. Cup doesn't weigh very much, only 10 grams. We'll tare that. And then what we're going to do is we're going to add water into the cup and reweigh. It's about half filled. Put that on the balance. And that weighs 193.9 grams. So because we tared for the cup, the water in there is 193.9 grams. The next thing we'll do is we'll record the temperature of the water before we heat it. So we're going to take our temperature probe and put it in the water here and give it a moment to equilibrate. Stir it up a little bit. Okay, so it's 26.3 degrees Celsius is what the water is before heating. Okay, now we're not going to put our temperature probe in the microwave, but we will put our lid on. And so the next task is to heat this up. Alright, so we'll put the water in the microwave right in the middle. We'll do time cook, and let's heat it up for 45 seconds. It's like watching water boil, even though it's not. Okay. First thing we do is we want to make sure that it doesn't look like the water is boiling. It's nowhere near that hot. It's pretty warm though. Okay, now we're going to leave the lid on. What we're going to do is we're going to measure its temperature. Okay, so we're going to leave the lid on, and now we're going to measure the temperature of the water in here. Swirl around, make sure it's well mixed. It looks like the temperature is 57.4 degrees. Okay, that experiment is done.